Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video revealing my new tier. So there you go. I'm now in tier 100. And if you were to ask a question, how did I get here? It's always the things I've been telling you before. Follow trends, be consistent, never give up. Perseverance is the key. Never give up, guys. So it's a good thing that I'm showing you my tiers, because before I wasn't here. I think was it 5,000 or 10,000? I'm not really sure. It was a painful experience, so I'm just trying to shut it out of my head. I, as you all know, my Merch by Amazon account, the first one, got terminated because of copyright issues. At that time I didn't know what I was doing, but now I know what I'm doing. Now I know that I should use trademark research tools, such as the one on Merch Informer, such as the one on Flying Upload. All those tools are available for you to use, so you don't make my mistake ever again. And you should also follow trends. Before I wasn't following trends, but now I'm doing. So right now you should follow trends as well as do evergreen designs. So both of them is going to supplement your income. So if you haven't watched the video where I show you how to find trends, I'll highly recommend that you do. So the video I'm talking about, the trends video I'm talking about, how you get to it from my channel is you go to the videos. So from the home channel, go to the videos, then you can search here for trends, type trends, then click OK. This is the video I'm talking about. So you're just gonna click it if you want results with your Merch Amazon account, or print on my account you want. If you want results with it, you definitely need to follow the tips I'm giving you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.